Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making meat skewers. Now I'm going to marinate these 2 days prior, at least before I make them, because I want this meat to be nice and tender and flavorful. So to get started, we are going to, for our ingredients, we're going to use salt, curry powder, mixed herbs, mixed spices, chili flakes, paprika, garam masala. I have soy sauce, I have apple cider vinegar, raw pawpaw, yogurt, and tamarind. So I'm going to begin with my yogurt. I'm going to place about almost about quarter cup of the yogurt, of the plain yogurt. This is my tamarind sauce that I'm going to pour in there. This is about 3 tablespoons. To this mixture, I will add my grated pawpaw. This is what it looks like. It should be raw, not ripe. So yes, I'm going to add this to my mixture nicely. Okay, then add the spices. We have the mixed herbs. I don't have precise measurements. Again, cooking for me goes with taste and what I'm feeling that day. If I want spicy, also depends on the kind of guests I will be hosting. So if it's just me and the kids, I keep the spices on the down low. But also, one thing I notice about plain yogurt, it tones down more spices. So I'm going to use, this is quarter teaspoon of curry powder, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, then I'm going to add some salt to my mixture. Not too much also. We don't want the salt to just take away all those beautiful flavors that are supposed to go into your meat. Paprika, just some. This I'm making for my kids as well, so I'm trying to make it less spicy. I'm going to use about half a tablespoon. Let me use half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And some soy sauce, just a little. Just drizzle a little soy sauce in there. We're going to mix this up. Just mix it all together nicely. Now the reason we use raw pawpaw is because raw pawpaw in particular is a meat tenderizer. It makes that meat nice and soft, and so that's why I like using it for my pre-marinades. And in goes our meat. Just mix that all together. You can use your hands or something else, but I choose to use my hands. I don't mind getting dirty. That's what water is for anyway. So that is it. Yeah, this is it. I'll put this in a nice plastic container because we don't use paper bags anymore. They were banned in my country. But if you have a paper bag, the better for you. You might put them in a Ziploc bag or a paper bag. But I choose to put them in a container because, you know, I have to stay legal. And there we go. We're going to freeze this for about 2 days, and then I'll film a very nice recipe on how we're going to use these skewers and how we're going to grill this as well. Thank you so much.